If you want to enhance your security on WhatsApp by removing old devices, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you manage your connected devices effectively. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen for Android or the bottom right for iPhone to open the menu. Select Settings from the drop-down options. Step 3. Go to Security. In the Settings menu, find and tap on the Account option. Then, look for Security to access your security settings. Step 4. Check linked devices. Within the Security section, you will see an option for linked devices. Tap on it to view all devices that are currently linked to your WhatsApp account. Step 5. Remove old devices. Review the list of linked devices. If you see any old or unfamiliar devices, tap on them and select the option to log out or remove them from your account. By following these steps, you can ensure that only your current devices have access to your WhatsApp account, enhancing your security. Regularly checking and managing your linked devices is a good practice for maintaining your privacy.